Hey, my sweetest slicers. Welcome back to Quiz Slice. We've brought you here today for a brand new challenge. Just sit back, relax, and choose your zombie/descendants gift. Rules are simple. You can only pick one from the 3 gifts. If we're all ready, then let's roll in. All right, first gift box. Choose your character. Like what you got. Next up, choose your hairstyle. I would be sad if I got that bad one. Mirror, mirror on the wall, choose your magic mirror. This looks familiar. Which character does this silhouette belong to? It belongs to Zed. Choose your best outfit. Which would it be? Satisfied with it? Let's see which pet would be yours. Oops, something seems odd. Sound check, sound check. Do you recognize this iconic song? Dang, yes. It's rotten to the core. Meal time. Let's choose your food. Got your favorite? Let's choose your school place. Honest answer only. Would you rather let Red die or revive Carlos in Descendants 4? Don't hesitate to comment below your own thoughts. Choose your eternal bestie. Love your choice? Choose your superhero. Which one did you get? Comment below your pick. Remember the spots of all the characters. Can you find where King Ben is hidden? Bingo, there he is. Sharp mind you got there. Choose your emotionally supportive song. Oh yeah, I like all 3 of them. Choose your place. I felt sad for those unlucky picks. Spot the differences between these 2 images. lovey-dovey one. Choose your lifetime soulmate. Be cautious now. Choose your villain. Did you get the safest one? Choose your car. The one you choose will be your future car. Which series would you rather watch more of? The Descendants series or the Zombies series? Choose your graffiti works. I think all three are awesome. Okay, now choose your room's poster. Eye contest. Can you spot the odd queen in this group? Whoa-hoo! You're correct again. Choose your power. Satisfied with your pick? Vibe check. Choose your favorite character from both shows. Don't be shy to comment below and type your other favorite characters. Here comes another one. Choose your hanging out group. Like your group? Loyal test question. Which logo is the correct one? Exactly. B is the answer. You're such a real one. Choose your personal singers. Would you listen to them every day? How do you rate the Descendants/Zombies Worlds Collide Tour? Is it brilliant, fire, good, boring, or even trash? Remember to comment below. Last one. Choose your wallpaper. Did you got the coolest one? Whoa, that was fun! Gifts chosen and quiz completed. Thanks for always hanging with us here. Smash like, subscribe, and don't forget to tell us your gifts in the comments. And now, see you until next time. Keep quizzing.